Everyone, this is me Aishwarya, and today I'm going to share you how you can complete your task 1 for without any further delay. Let's start. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can share more such content with you guys. Create your Kaggle account on Kaggle. So just go and create your Kaggle account and then go to the link where they have sent you all the resources. When you click on that link, you will reach to this page, and here you can see like day 1 introduction to agent, and here is all the assignment that we need to complete for AI agents. So first task is to listen summary to the podcast. So you must need to stay connected with them on Discord so that you can access all the resources. As you can see here, all the resources as provided here. You need to follow all the resources in order to complete this course. So for the course, we need to click on the podcast link
Welcome to the
and
Deep
listen to the
Dive. Think
podcast.
exciting.
After that, follow all the instructions mentioned here. As you can see, now come to your Kaggle account and click on your profiles to verify your phone number. So I'm going to my profile and then I'm going to my settings. There is setting on the top, so just click on the setting and verify your phone number. So just click on that, provide your number, and then verify with your persona, with your face, and then you are done with verifying your phone number. Then again go and verify your email. Verifying is really required for this task. Make sure to follow all the troubleshoot instruction as mentioned here. So just follow all the resources, and on the last you have seen you need to be interactive for this course. As you can see, India is the most interactive country from all the given. All the best to you guys. If you have any confusion regarding this task, comment down below so that I can help you. Thank you.